Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at the question 4 for GCSE English Language Paper 2. So how can you ace question 4? So first of all, you need to be familiar with the mark scheme, and they include the following. So show detailed understanding of similarities/differences between the ideas and viewpoints. Secondly, compare ideas and viewpoints in a perceptive way. Analyzes how methods are used to convey ideas and viewpoints, and finally selects well-judged quotations from both texts. So for this question, in simple terms, you need to use a range of quotes from source A and source B, and most of the time, or most likely, they'll ask you to compare the differences. It could be the similarities, but most of the time it's looking at the differences. So if you're looking at the different attitudes, you need to support it with the writer's methods in both source A and source B. So you need to look at language and structure and also learn the mark scheme. This is how you will ace question 4. So I do have a template for you to follow for question 4, so you can have a look at it and use it to answer question 4. Also, you need to focus on the writer's feelings here, and as it is assessing assessment objective 3, so the comparison source A and source B, you should be spending around 20 minutes and writing up to 4 paragraphs. And here we have our question 4 template. So as you can see, you're aiming to write around 4 paragraphs using this template to answer question 4. So you follow the steps literally. In source A, the writer feels ... about ... but then back it up with the evidence, so a relevant quote. Identify the word class or the structural device, and tell us the connotations or the meanings behind it, and how does it create this feeling, how does it illustrate the writer's feelings. So that's how you do the first paragraph, and then paragraph 2 you'll start off with in contrast, in source B, the writer feels ... So again, you follow the same system to answer question number 4. If you can use this accurately, then for sure you'll ace your exam, especially question 4. This question requires a lot of preparation. So if I was you, I would practice over the next day or two, and just familiarize yourself in terms of how to approach the question and how to score the top marks. And that takes us towards the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share for more. Thank you.